So the root canal treatment, what it is we go into a decayed or an infected tooth, we clean out everything that's inside every tooth. There's nerves, there's arteries. We clean everything out and we seal it with some material and put a crown on top. Now the root canal treatment, the purpose of that is so that you can keep your natural tooth versus taking out the natural tooth. We always want to try to save our teeth because nothing replaces a natural tooth. We have great options, but with the root canal treatment, we maintain your tooth, even if it's for a few years, up to 10 years. You maintain that tooth and we get to keep that function and we get to keep that smile.